What's going on? This is Shane with Manufactured Housing Expert Channel. The other week we had the opportunity to send our crew to Silvercrest so you could take a look around Silvercrest Manufacturing in Corona, California. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. We hope you enjoy this tour of Silvercrest Manufactured Homes.
My name is Steve Harwood. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager here at Silvercrest Homes. We have the advantage here at Silvercrest of having a facility that's 225,000 square feet. When you're building factory-built manufactured housing in a large facility like this, we have the opportunity with the amount of room that we have to have some elaborate processes, so we build a quality manufactured home. Since we've been in business since 1969, those processes have evolved, and we feel really strongly that our product processes are the best in the industry. The thing about it is there's no secret that we're an assembly line process, and the beauty of that is that we can build a home start to finish in 2 weeks. So you have this main assembly line, and we have sub-assemblies throughout the plant that feed into that assembly line. So each one of our workers in the aggregate are working in those sub-assemblies that are being inspected and approved before they're processed into the main line. As it goes along, just think of it, instead of waiting 6 months for a home to be built out in the open, out in the weather, we're building this home in an enclosed building in 2 weeks. And that's our secret. One thing that the general public may not know about manufactured home is how design-oriented we are. We implement the latest designs. We're very involved in that. Our national interior and exterior decor person is constantly reminding us of the latest trends, and we try to implement that into our selections. We offer to our retailers a very professional digital decor book, so when they're working with retail customers, they can select proper and pleasing decor for their home. As the demand of housing has grown, we want to try to build more, and one of the ways of doing that is being more efficient in our build. Now we have what we call pre-planned customization. We are pre-planning so customers have selections that meet that efficiency, and it's very straightforward, and quite frankly, they like it very much. Energy efficiency is extremely important to the public now, so all of our homes are ENERGY STAR rated. We offer solar ready, and so what that allows us to do, because it's a work content that takes some time, and so what we do is we prepare the trusses to handle the load for the solar panels and a raceway, so it can be, all that wiring can be done on site, and that's been very popular. We're probably running somewhere in the area of 30% of our homes are going out with solar ready. We do see a niche, particularly with the millennials wanting to have solar available to them. We do get an awful lot of calls from some of our older homes out in the field where people want to place solar panels on, and we have to give them the information. Governor Newsom came out here in the last recent past and with an initiative that the state of California, because of the housing crisis, over the next 8 years needs 2.5 million housing units. So start doing the math on that. That's about in excess of 300,000 units over the next 8 years. So manufactured housing is part of the answer to that demand. We see tremendous opportunity within that. We're really excited about that, and that's why we're introducing some new products over the next few months to meet that demand. What I see on a whole bunch of different fronts, I think you're going to see, because of the demand, you're going to see more automation within the factories, and that's nationwide. It just the labor force just hasn't been there, and it also will force additional simplification and standardization. I think it will drive us to more precision when you have that automation. And I think the niches that we're going after will appreciate that. I mean, it's no different than the automobile business with all the robotics that are going on, and we'll make that transition. So we're excited about that.